Hello everyone and welcome to Khan's Tech Lab. As you know, we are working on Tomcat series. So we have covered a few sessions like how to enable the domain in system, then how to deploy and undeploy the WAR files, and then how to change the port of a Tomcat. If you have not already visited, please do visit for these sessions. In today's session, we will discuss how to use the manager app in Tomcat server. So I have a Tomcat server. Let me start it using the startup.batch file. I have started the server. Now let me try to run it. I am running it on 8080 port. As you can see here, we can find three things: server status, manager app, and host manager. So let us see what this manager app is and how to use it. So if I click on the manager app, it is asking me for some credentials and I don't know it. And if I don't sign in, I just cancel it. It will not allow me to use it. And it is saying 401 unauthorized. So what I have to do is they are guiding us to go and examine the Tomcat users.xml. So here is our folder where we have the conf folder. Here we have Tomcat users file, XML file. Let me open it. As you can see here, there are a few users, those are commented. Also, I have a user called admin and the password they have configured as must be changed. So let us change it. We have to give some proper password. For demonstration purpose, I will just use admin. Please don't use this same password. Please use some confidential password and save. Now I will restart the Tomcat server. I will go to bin directory and search for the startup.batch and execute it. Now the Tomcat got started. Now I will go to the root location of the Tomcat homepage, and then I will try to access this manager app with the credentials I have configured in the users file, XML file, which are username is admin and password is also admin. So now I will give admin and admin and try to sign. Now it has redirected me to the manager page. So where we can see a few things like what and all the applications those are running in the server. But these are all the applications that are currently running in the server. We can start if we can stop them if they are already stopped. We can start them. We can reload them. We can undeploy them. We can deploy new applications as well. As you can see, deploy directory or war file located on server. For example, you can give the context path as well as if you have war file to deploy, you choose the file. For example, I have a sample.var. I will just select it. Now it has been chosen. Now I will try to deploy it. Let us see in the console if it got started the deployment. So as you can see, the deployment of web application has been completed, the sample.var. As you can see, the timestamp 2217, which is the current timestamp of my machine. So now let us try to refresh this page, or without refresh also it got displayed here. You can also access it from here. As you can see, the application has been accessed from the manager page. So this way we can use the manager application to deploy. Also, we can stop and undeploy also. Let me stop it. As you can see, the application got stopped. Now I can undeploy it. Once I undeploy, you can see in the console also it got undeployed. Even in the folder structure also you can find it undeployed. In the web apps folder, you will not find it. So this way you can use the manager application. As you can see, the message OK undeployed application at context path also appeared. So this way we can use the manager application to deploy and undeploy the applications. Also, you can find a few more things like the diagnostics, configuration, and server information. For example, the version of the Tomcat, the JVM version currently running, the vendor, the OS name of my machine, OS version, architecture, my machine name, IP address, everything you can find it in this manager application. Hope you learned from this session. If you like the session, please hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.